Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Sketchbook Sunday. This week I was feeling the Pokemon itch, so here's a little Milotic for you. Today I graduated from my Japanese course, my Beginner 1 course, and I feel so weird about it. Like, on one hand I'm sad because, you know, I've been there since like September and I feel like I made really nice friends. And well, they're all coming back, but I'm glad I'm getting all my weekends back. I will say, it gets pretty rough, waking up early and having something to do 6 days a week. But that's okay. It was worth it. I'm really happy that I did it, because it was kind of a last second decision to enroll. Like, I believe that I decided I was gonna do it like a week before registration, so. Yeah, but yeah, I'm really glad I did it. I learned a lot. I can forget to turn on the subtitles on anime for a little bit. I don't necessarily understand when they speak so quickly, but I recognize all the words and all that stuff, so that's what makes me forget, because it feels familiar now, you know? But I hope, well, I mean, I know next year I'll definitely be real close to being fluent, I guess, because I can read hiragana, I can almost read katakana, I know a lot of kanji, I can have broken conversations without having to put English in there, really, with some people in my class, so yeah, I don't know. I'm proud. We had a show for the end of the year, and we had to sing a song on stage, and we were in a middle school gym, and it was fun. I felt 12, but it was fun. Alright, well, I'll let you guys finish the video. I hope you enjoy watching it as much as I enjoyed making it, and I'll see you guys Wednesday.